Hey there, photography enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for all you aspiring freelancing photographers, building your portfolio. We'll discuss what it is, how to do it effectively, and the pros and cons. Let's jump right in. First things first, what is photography portfolio? Well, it's like your visual resume, a carefully curated collection of your best work. It's what clients, employers, and potential collaborators will see to judge your skills and style. Now, let's talk about how to build a killer portfolio that makes you stand out. Step 1. Start with niche. Find your passion, whether it's portrait, landscape, wildlife, or something unique. Specialization can be a game changer. Number 2. Quality over quantity. It's tempting to showcase everything but choose only your best shot. A strong portfolio of 10 fantastic photos is better than 30 mediocre ones. Step 3. Diversify. Show versatility in your style and subjects. Clients like to see that you can handle different projects. Step 4. Storytelling. Arrange your portfolio with a flow. Tell a story through your work. It keeps viewers engaged. Step 5. Client work. Don't shy away from including work done from clients. It demonstrates your professionalism and real-world experience. Building a portfolio isn't all roses. It has its pros and cons. On the positive side, number 1, we have credibility. A portfolio boosts your credibility and helps you attract better paying clients. Number 2, networking. It's a powerful networking tool. Sharing it online can connect you with potential clients and collaborators. Number 3, skills improvement. Continuously updating your portfolio forces you to improve your skills. On the flip side, we have number 1, initial struggle. When you are starting, building a strong portfolio can be challenging. Number 2, time consuming. Curating a portfolio takes time and effort from actual photography work. Number 3, self-critique. You'll often find yourself creating your own work, which can be tough on your confidence. So there you have it, the ins and outs of building a freelancing photography portfolio. Remember, it's not just about quantity, it's about quality and showcasing your unique style. While it may have its challenges, it's a crucial step towards a successful photography career. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like.